Well, good Monday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Dana Melancon with you on Southeast Texas Express. We are your Roku access for weather in Southeast Texas, Southwest Louisiana, of course, on Facebook as well. Join us and like us. Encourage your friends to like and follow the page, Southeast Texas Express. We're also on YouTube, Southeast Texas Express YouTube platform, so make sure you check that out as well. And again, streaming on your Roku television devices at Southeast Texas Express. We are broadcasting to you from our weather studio that is atop the Wellness Center building at Christus, Southeast Texas. We're right next door to Christus St. Elizabeth Hospital, where our east view shows the helipad and a few clouds toward the east of us, but again, a quiet go of it. Let's take a look at the hospital tower. That shows mostly clear skies here, and very little. You can see the big tree behind me, the big cedar tree, in the form of wind. Very little of that. And then on our west view, we can see East Texas Freeway. Same with the treetops. Not much in the form of wind affecting us this morning, and the mostly clear skies. Warm today. We're currently at 83. A partly cloudy sky prevails over the coast, lakes as well. A lot clearer up around the lakes, actually. 84% on our humidity reading, and east-northeast winds, well, barely blowing at this point. Hey, wanted to remind everybody, too, if you're with us, to join us in the comment section of Facebook or YouTube, for that matter, and let us know where you're watching the broadcast from. Our what has come to be a very good friend of ours now, our ridge of high pressure that continues to keep things very much unchanging as far as Southeast Texas is concerned now, and actually through the better part of this week. And it was actually fairly pleasant during the early morning hours with less humidity coming into play. And we're going to slowly see those dew points rise again, which will allow our humidity readings to be back up as the week progresses. But at least through the course of the weekend and this morning as well, we are looking at not much of the problems with the excessive heat index readings, although we will be in the triple digits. Take a look at the rain that's going in through Fort Smith, Arkansas, Little Rock as well. Most of that staying well north of us, actually, and we do, and we'll see it on the surface map, have a stalled out front that's currently parked along the regions between Texas and Louisiana, closer toward the coast. This is our XRAD Doppler radar, which again continues to provide the by Sam Trevino and the gang at Roofing 911 provide us the nice view and modeling information as well of the coast and lakes. But right now, just really nothing changing at all. We do have an excessive heat advisory that's in effect for southern Liberty County, and for Chambers as well, but we could see some of the criteria inch in toward extreme Southeast Texas, mainly along the coast as the day progresses. So again, just be extra careful if you're out and about. We're at 83 to start our morning off here at the Wellness Center in Beaumont, and we're at 83 down at the Jack Brooks Airport as well. Orange checks in at 78, 84 in Houston under partly cloudy skies. Galveston Island, partly cloudy, and 84 degrees. Tropics, we are looking at one particular system. This is potential Tropical Cyclone 5, which will, again, during the next maybe 3-4 days, become tropical in nature, providing problems for the, well, certainly the Leeward Islands, but it does get caught up in the Bermuda High, and it looks like most of the modeling data expected to keep that storm off into the Atlantic. Obviously, with the duty that we do here at Southeast Texas Express, we will keep you updated on the latest on the tropics, and also invite you, and we'll show you this at the very end, to stop by and pick up one of our hurricane tracking guides. Has some great information in it. As far as the continental U.S., we were telling you about that one lone frontal system that's sort of parked along the boundaries between Texas and Louisiana. That front will ease north before it starts to dissipate. And again, continue to keep us with warm temperatures, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, and a rise in as far as our heat index readings are concerned later on in the week. You'll see exactly what we're talking about on our surface map as that front starts to dissipate, drift a little bit to the north during the course of the next 24 to 48 hours, and again allow high pressure to really have its grips on southeast Texas, southwest Louisiana. Now, again, today, once we see the sea breeze start to kick in today and tomorrow, we're not going to rule out a shower or two moving through the region, although we don't have it in our forecast. Again, being here along the Texas Gulf Coast, we know to expect that, especially this time of the year and with these elements taking shape. But for the most of us, we're not going to be seeing rain as far as today's concerned. Yesterday, we peaked at 97, started off at 74, at a record high of 104 back in 2015, 19.52 inches above what we're supposed to have as far as our water table is concerned. Sabine Pass, it's going to be one of those days where the tides are receding all day long. We have no high tide at all, and the lowest point as far as the tides are concerned occurs at 3:57 this afternoon. Sun was up as of 6:42, sun setting at 7:59. Here is our forecast provided by Wave Solutions. Partly cloudy to mostly sunny sky, 96 degrees, a little southeast breeze at times at 5 miles per hour. Clear tonight, or mostly clear. Light and variable winds start off tomorrow morning. Guess what? 78 degrees. Here's our extended outlook provided by Top Deck Flooring. Again, partly cloudy, mostly sunny sky today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and again, today and tomorrow, we're not going to rule out at least an opportunity for showers. It's going to be extremely small. Nevertheless, the majority of us probably not seeing any of that at all. Again, we wanted to let you know that if you're on Southeast Texas Express in around the region, make sure that you let us know about it. Make sure you join us on Facebook and let us know where you're watching the broadcast from. And again, we do want to remind you that we do get together every Monday through Friday here in Southeast Texas, and when we do that, we just chat about the weather and invite you to become a part of the broadcast. Again, Meteorologist Dana Melancon with you on Southeast Texas Express. Thanks for letting me join you. We'll probably update you once during the afternoon hours right here at Southeast Texas Express on Facebook. Thanks for letting me join you this morning. We'll let you get back to whatever you're doing this morning on Facebook and in and around the workplace. Again, we'll join you a little later on here for a continued update in Southeast Texas.